My gosh. That's one way. You leaned it over enough.
Yes, sir.
Hey, it worked. Better than my turnaround.
Taking the roots.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with my son, Kevin. We are out in the high desert in southern Arizona. Trail hunting here. What
Are we going to try that way or are we going back this way?
Wherever you want to do, let's see. Go to a road of some kind, or we can go this way down to the next one to the left.
We'll never
Looks like
know.
the one that goes around the mountains.
We'll never know if we don't do it. The only way we're going to find out.
Uh-oh, what happens here? It just curves around. Look at this. This has got to be that old railroad. Ain't it? We're up on it right now, and then we get back down off of it right here.
Huh.
What it is, I'll guarantee you. It's that old railroad.
It makes for pretty cool riding.
Yeah, it does. That's if you're doing 70.
There's another one of those little turnaround spots with a pond or something, a dugout pond.
What are you doing down there?
Having fun.
Yeah, you could have come on through. And out right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, see the pond?
Oh, yeah, I could have.
This ain't even on the map here. There is a line there on the map. It surely takes us back that direction. I would think. Uh-oh.
I don't think this is the road anymore.
Yeah, we can't even go through that brush.
Yeah, screw those.
My gosh. That's one way. You leaned it over enough.
Yes, sir.
Hey, it worked. Better than my turnaround. You just had reverse.
That's probably the tightest turnaround I have ever done.
Yeah, he was laying it over.
That's all I could do. I knew that this thing was like kind of top heavy, so I was like, let's see what it can do.
hold the weight and
yeah.
This way.
And try to keep it.
I got a tree growing on here.
Yeah, I honestly didn't know if it would do it or not. That's why I just gave it as much gas as I could when doing it without over revving it.
Well, there's a mess of roads out here to nothing, really.
Yeah.
I just go out through the desert and don't do nothing. Of course, what are you going to see out here?
It's a good thing, though. It makes for good exploring. That probably is why they leave a lot of these.
Kind of a good mix-up of stuff we do, so. Which way's the dust going? That way, I think.
It's going to the right.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it shows a road there. Yeah, it is. But you can't go on it. Across the fence. Whoa, what do we got here? Don't go down like you did on that one hill. Front brake that dude.
I didn't hit a front brake. I hit a rock.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, that was Scotty with the front brake. Maybe you should have hit the front brake.
Yeah, then I could just completely front flipped over and I would have been okay.
Exactly.
Front flip and hold on, man.
It might have just landed back on its wheels and went on.
Just freaking Travis Pastrana.
Yeah.
Danger zone, dude.
Oh my. This looks like pretty freshly dozed here. I hope this is the way we go. That's the way we're going.
We're gonna find out.
Don't finger it out. Ladder the cow patties. These ain't too wet, but I have hit cow patties before that's wet, and I mean, it just swings them away up over your head and everywhere. Now, see, it don't even show this turn on the map. What in the world? Crazy.
Somebody else has been through here on something. You see that?
Oh, yeah, it's a
Kind of
bike.
bike.
Yeah.
Looks like an actual dirt bike with the way it ripped up. You see that?
Yeah, it ripped a ditch.
That dude had on some Dunlops.
Come through here when it after it rains, I bet it'd be a muddy mess.
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah, see, there's another line to the left right there, and there's more through there.
There's that pile. Is that wood?
Oh, that is that pile. That's wood. Is that
Yeah.
railroad ties?
So I say, is that railroad ties or fence posts?
Or is that big, like 2x6s or something? Here, let's
What
see if we
is
can
that?
zoom in on it with your phone.
What is that? It's a bunch of them. I mean, that's a long pile of just for there for nothing. Don't think it's railroad ties. I think it's just like,
It's something. That's a lot of freaking wood.
what's a long pile of out there just to rot down.
Yeah, I know.
It's just wood. It's just
Like 2x6s and stuff?
no. I think it just sticks like post cut,
Oh.
like fence posts or something like that.
Oh.
Really
Crazy.
tell, but huh?
Dang, that's a lot just to sit out there.
To sit out there and rot down, you talk about a waste of somebody's money.
Yeah, I know. I
There's a
wonder what that's even there for.
Oh. It just stops right there and stops right there. That's it. I didn't know where it come from. I don't think there's trees out here. We're definitely on the red road here.
Whoa, that was a hole.
Yeah, there is some holes in this. It's where they dozing out through here, and then they dig out a rock. They just keep on pushing. And these are big holes in the rock. I hope the heck this comes out somewhere after we're going all this direction.
Yeah, same.
I mean, we're almost at the dang highway. That
Hey,
far.
come out on the highway.
That'd be alright.
We're getting primitive here.
Uh-oh.
Real primitive.
This is going to end, ain't it? You better not end. Are you kidding me? You might have been through here.
That's what I was gonna say. That was Sandy.
Oh my, I don't know. I think the road's gone.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's looking a little bit too primitive. Right
And
here.
the highway's not that far. I mean, it's a little ways. It's right that way, really. It runs that way. Not going toward it. So, we'll have to go back and find that road. No choice, really. Gosh, what's that cactus there? That cactus at my front tire?
Oh. cactus.
Baby with big needles. Goodness gracious, I'm just trying to get out of here and navigate this mess of stickers.
Oh, that's the rut that we came through.
I say, where's that ditch at?
This is just a smaller ditch. Ah, I'm stuck on a tree. Once.
Your back wheel's in a hole. Oh no.
I might need your help.
Let me get through it here.
Oh, never mind.
Well, praise
There's
the
a man.
Lord. For small blessings like that.
Good thing I got those knobs.
That'd probably make a difference. He's on my gold wing tire, it might have a little problem. Okay, I'll go back here and see if we can find a road somewhere else, I guess.
I guess so.
We're lost. We can't be lost too far. We can see Sierra Vista right there. Whoa. Man, that was tricky.
Yeah, you gotta watch all these little ruts and rocks and holes on this road.
No doubt. I was like, I wanted to stay in that rut. Gosh. Just let it waller and keep on going. Yeah, see, this is where it shows the road, and it shows it goes right through there. But it's funny how where it shows roads sometimes there is no road, and where it don't show a road, there's a road.
Yeah.
It shows there's one right here by this post up here, going to the right.
Yeah, there's a couple of roads on the right down through here.
Yeah, this one here. I guess we'll go that way. We got to find our way out eventually. Yeah, we come through that gate, didn't we?
I figured one of the roads that went straight out this way would. I was actually going to say that before we took off.
Which way is the dust blowing?
To the right.
Okay. You don't want to run off the road and get into that fence.
That's for sure.
It would hurt worse than the gravel. This down here is actually a named road. It says something Misty, some road. Can't hardly read it while I'm riding. Misty Ray Road, or Misty Ray Road. So we should be in the clear down here. If it don't dead end right before it gets to the road. See, like we was out riding one time, we got to a spot and we couldn't find a way through. We actually laid our bikes down, our dirt bike. We was all on dirt bikes, luckily, not four-wheelers. And everybody hold the wire up on the fence, and we drug our dirt bikes under the fence and went on. Hey, we got out of there. We didn't have much of a choice. We was in a heck of a mess. Got down in the canyon. We couldn't climb back out. So we had to go.
Would have done the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, we just had to do what we had to do. There was several of us. Now we're on actually a dirt road. Okay, we're free and clear. Good enough. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching that mess we went through there. We got lots more videos coming. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch y'all on the next adventure. Right on.